Hello, we are Team 3 and this is Traffic by Fireware, an immersive urban mobility simulator designed for municipal mobility agencies and real estate developers to solve traffic congestion before it happens. Urban growth is happening faster than mobility infrastructures can adapt. Large-scale development reshape entire zones of a city, yet the traffic impact is often evaluated through static reports and assumptions rather than dynamic simulation. As a result, roads become saturated, intersections collapse during peak hours, and governments are forced into expensive reactive fixes. Cities like Guadalajara are operating on infrastructure designed for past demand, not today's expansion.
Traffic enables decision makers to simulate mobility scenarios in VR before construction or intervention begins. Users can edit infrastructure, lanes, signals, timing, direction, turns, restrictions, U-turns, and instantly see how traffic responds using real-time and predictive data. This transfers planning from reactive trial and error into data-driven transparent decision.
Our tool number one, first we define the core user need. Governments, developers, and citizens need a faster and more transparent way to validate mobility projects before spending money in real world. Now, tool two, second we design to the usage flow, identify the conflict zone, edit scenarios, simulate in VR, compare metrics, decide and plan implementation. And finally, third, we validate feasibility, assumptions, integration with traffic sensors, open data and APIs compatible with VR hardware in Guadalajara and scalable cloud infrastructure, plus the economic logic that avoiding one failed project can save millions.
Today, we built a two-part prototype, a digital planning dashboard and an immersive VR simulation. On the dashboard, users pick Guadalajara zone, set conditions like peak hours, and apply edits. Signal timing, like direction, turn restrictions, or new infrastructure. The VR lets them step into the scene to observe traffic and compare before and after. The prototype validates core assumptions. The workflow is simple and repeatable. Choose, modify, simulate, and compare. Results are immediately visible and explainable to non-technical stakeholders. Animation makes congestion and conflict feel real, increasing decision confidence. City teams can use the tools for training, operational testing, and evidence-based evaluation, producing metrics such as travel time, queue length, and throughput to justify choices. For municipalities and developers, this means faster training, lower risk from field trials, and standardized KPIs across projects, and cost savings by avoiding failed interventions. After feedback, we will build a scenario library and automated reports, expand corridor content, improve multi-user VR hardware, and integrate live sensor feeds for deployment.
Our next step is a pilot with one corridor or one intersection, testing 2 to 3 improvement scenarios. We're asking for access to traffic data, signal sensors or open feedbacks, and 2 user groups, planning staff and traffic operations, to validate workflow and results. If you give us the site and stakeholders, we will deliver a before and after VR demo, plus a comparative KPI report to support a real decision. Let's pilot traffic in Guadalajara.